Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start our video. First of all, Control 7 and now see its drawing. This is the drawing. Let me tell you the dimensions. All the dimensions are in millimeter and now follow my cursor. First of all, see this line. This line has a length of 14 millimeter and also this is 14 millimeter. Also, the height of this line is 6 millimeter and this height is 20 millimeter. Also, this thickness is 14 millimeter and this radius is 21 millimeter. The dia of the circle is 20 millimeter and the distance from the center of the circle to the bottom is 21 millimeter. See, and now this circle has a dia of 12 millimeter and from this center to this line is 21 millimeter. Also, the fillet radius is 5 millimeter and this length is 42 millimeter. So these are the dimensions and now let's start our tutorial. First of all, open a new part file, click OK, change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now go to top plane, sketch and draw a center rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This length is 98 millimeter. This height is 42 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to features, extruded boss base. Select here blind and type 20 millimeter. Click OK. Now uncheck the real view graphics. See, now select this face and sketch and draw a corner rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This height is 6 millimeter. The distance from this point to this point is 14 millimeter. Also from this point to this point the distance is 14 millimeter. Now click OK. Go to features, extruded cut and select here through all. Click OK. Now select this top face, sketch and draw a center rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This width is 14 millimeter. Click OK. Go to features, extruded boss base. Select here blind and type here 42 millimeter. Click OK. Zoom to fit. Now we want to fillet the corners. So select fillet. Select here full round fillet. In the blue face, select this side. In the purple face, select the top side. And in the pink face, select this side. Click OK. Now select this face and sketch and draw a circle. Put the cursor on the center point and you will see the plus icon. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension. The diameter is 20 millimeter. Now go to features, extruded cut. Select here through all and OK. Now select this face and sketch. Draw a circle. Select this center point and drag this. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension. The diameter is 12 millimeter and the distance from this center to the origin is 25 millimeter. As this is in the center, so this will be 21. Okay. So go to features, extruded cut. Select here through all. Also, we want the same cut on the other side. So go to mirror, select here right plane and features to mirror. Select here cut extrude 3. Click OK. See, Control 7. Okay. Now we want to fillet the corners. So go to fillet, first option, and select these four corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And type here 5 millimeter. Click OK. Control 7. See, our part is complete. Now for the appearance, select the whole part, appearance, and select here this color. Click OK. Also enable real view graphics and see, our part is complete now. Control 7. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.